Hi everyone, welcome back to Genius Junkie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create realistic AI-generated voices using WellSaid Labs. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.wellsaidlabs.com. Log in with your credentials, and you'll be taken to the WellSaid Labs dashboard. To start creating a voice, click on the project on the dashboard. You will be presented with a text box where you can enter the script you want to convert into speech. Type or paste your script into the text box. WellSaid Labs offers various AI voice options, so choose a voice that suits your needs by selecting from the voice menu. You can preview different voices to find the one that best matches your project. Once you've selected a voice and entered your script, click the Generate button. WellSaid Labs will process your request and create an audio file with the AI-generated voice reading your script. This may take a few moments, so be patient. When the audio is ready, you can play it back to review the results. If you're satisfied with the voice, you can download the audio file by clicking the Download button. You can choose from different file formats, such as MP3 or WAV, depending on your requirements. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to create realistic AI-generated voices using WellSaid Labs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching and happy creating with WellSaid Labs.